Hello everyone, and see you again. And right now I stay in my lotus farm here. Lotus farm is very big, as you can see, it's very big with the boom of the lotus. Yes, right now it's a little dry. It needs water, and over there it's my rice field. I also need water to pure for growing for planting my rice. So today I have the new idea that I will set up it to take the water from over there to pure my lotus farm and rice field over there. Okay, right now let's go to see the place that I will take the water to pure to use in my lotus farm here. Right now let's go to see. And also you can see and the place that I will take the water to pure my rice field here. It's difficult because covered by the jungle on so in the jungle. So here and then okay, right now I arrived the place that I will take the water that we call, and you see the beach one that we call the river, right? The river, it's a lot of water that I have to this river water to pure my rice field over there. So this project I will tell you later after I go to take my material to set up here for taking water from this big river. Okay. Okay, just here. And you can see right now I will tell you that you can see one blue metal drum. Yes, today I will set up or install the new project that I told about the siphon system. But we can siphon system usually we just use the plastic pipe to connect between pipe to pipe. But this siphon system I use a special one with a metal drum like this to set up it, right? Because it can make strong pressure. Okay. And right now I collect the material to set up it. For taking the water from this big river here. So right now start to set up with me. But you don't forget, for this project that we call siphon system, we don't need the clue to use with during we connecting between pipe to pipe. Right? Okay. Or you can use the instead the glue, you can use the plastic bag to cover it. You don't use the glue. If you use the glue, you don't need to use the plastic bag to cover it. But right now I don't want to take the plastic bag with the rubber to rub it. I just instead that I use the glue to set up. Okay, use the glue like this. Make sure no linking, waterproof like this. Okay, next step. Step. And the last step I will like this. I will teach. All connecting, you have to use the glue. Forget. Just here. And done. So I have to put this washer into this crank, and then I use a glue to connect it like this. And then so next step I will go to take the output pipe to make to set up the next step. Okay, right now I took all the material that I have to set up the output pipe. As you can see, I use with the big one with the 60mm, and for the input, just I use with the 34mm. This kind we call a siphon system. Okay, right now start to set up, and I have to use the glue. Wow. And next step. And now okay, done. And now I set up with that. You can see the standing pipe here. This we call air pressure to stop or to stuck the post the air when it come back from the end of the pipe. Shooting we process our procedure, and then it's major pressure to put it back. Make sure it cannot go to in this main drum. Okay, I go to take the long pipe to continue to connect. And now I took the long pipe, and next I continue to connect it with the output pipe. Okay, right now I set up already. And next step I will go to feed water to this main drum. But this one we don't call the gravity pump. We just call siphon system hybrid. So before I go to fill the water, I have to close the end of the pipe. And you have to remember, even I use the big pipe, but the end of the output pipe I use the same size with the input pipe. It's cooling air. It's bigger or smaller, it's over project cannot succeed. You have to remember this one. This kind we call a siphon system. Okay, and all the connecting I use the glue to connect it. So make sure no linking. That means waterproof. Okay, right now go to recheck, and then I fill water to the drum. And next step we will process the project. How does it work or not? Okay. And then now I'll check it already with this one. I hope that I connection it properly, no linking. And next step before I go, I fill the water to this drum. I have to close the one or open here for when I fill the water to the other place, the air will come back in. So the water can go into this drum. We have to know how no in and out. Yes, okay. And next step, I take the basket here, right? I take basket here and I fill water to this drum. I take the water from this river, from river here. And then I have to fill here. When I fill here, the water, it will fully skin come out here. That's right. Have to fill the water until it's full before we open the egg. Okay, full. Full. And next step, we have to close the one here. Close it. We have to close it properly. Make sure no linking. Oh. Okay, and then now it's full, but you have to remember this kind of project. We know called the gravity pump. We just call the siphon system. So next, and then now I close this one hole already. Next step, I have to take the cover to cover this air pressure. Make sure no leaking, and the air is going to this pipe. Okay. Yes. Or hammer here. Okay. Okay, right now I set up already with the fill water to this drum full. But you have to remember, you have to fill water to this drum around 90% or until it's full. Because when we open the end of the pipe, the pressure, this drum can make the pressure to suck the water from the river here. Okay, then now let's go to see how does it work with me. Go! Okay, then now I got the end of the pipe. That you can see one wire here. If we use thing for close and open, because different from the electric machine, you can turn on and turn off. But this project we call siphon system. Just use this wire to turn and to close and open when we want need the water or don't want need the water. Okay, then now I start to open it. Okay, start to see together. You can hear the sound. Okay, like this, right? Okay, you can see the water flow like this, and full fill with no need space in the water flow. But we cannot compare with the electric machine because it just use the pressure to suck the water, different from the electric pump. Electric pump use the electricity to pull the water, but this kind of project no need, right? And then we just spend one time to buy some material, a few money, not much money, and then we install it, we can do it forever. Different from electricity. Electricity, every time that we process our project, we have to spend the electric fee, right? And you can see here, the water that the water flow is full with this pipe. That the end of the output pipe I use with the 34mm, different from here, right? It's the same to the input pipe, that 34mm. If the end of the output pipe bigger than input tank or input pipe, our project cannot succeed. Will be fair because it's bigger than not enough the water. It's sucking from the river, right? Okay, and this kind of projects is the water flow not strong like electric pump, but it can flow 24 hours per day non-stop. At least we'll come to close it like this. If we still open the wire, it still flow water flow like this. Okay, and I think that it's enough for my lotus farm and rifle here, because I need much water to fill it for planting the next month. So I will leave it, and then right now please go to check with me again about the connecting pipe. Between connecting pipe, it's linking or not, it I properly to setting or not as well. So in next step, go to check it, and then you can see how does it work, and then I will. Okay, right now let's go to see with me. Okay, go. And right now you can see all the connecting pipe. All the connecting pipe. You can see no dropping water, right? No needs wetness, because I connecting properly with the clue that I use during I install connecting between pi to pi like this. Okay, go. Wow, it's well done that I install this project because I use the clue properly. That's no need linking here. So this standing that I call it air pressure. It for stop or pull back the air when you come back from the end of the pipe. You have to remember when you install this kind of project, they we call a system, siphon system. You have to use the clue and to set up the standing pipe like this. They we call air pressure. Air pressure, it can stuck or stop the air when it come back from the end of the pipe. Make sure it cannot go to this drum, right? And right now, if you come close, to this main drum, that we call blue metal drum, you can hear the dropping sound here, and you can hear the dropping sound, right? Dropping sound here, right? Because it's sucking the water from the river, right? Sucking the water or pull the water from river, dropping to this drum, so it can make have a sound in this main drum. Mean that our project success. You know any link, you know any dropping sound in this main drum, our project cannot succeed. It will be fail because no anything it go in and go out, right? The water go out mean how the water go in. No go in, no go out, right? No income, no income, no money income, no money to spend. Mean like this. Okay, and then now you can see if the water is so much and my rifle big, I need it around 1 or 2 days to take the water to pure to fill my rifle over there. So I will leave this leave my material, my drum and my what I set up and install today. I will leave it, and then maybe tomorrow and next tomorrow I will come back to see. We will make review to see it again. Make sure it still process work or doesn't work. Stop working. Okay, and right now I want to say thank you so much that you pay attention to see my explanation, my installation, my setup this project. And please help me to share your friend, family or other people if they want to see that kind of project, that they want to follow my project to use in their village, in their community, in their place that the other place that without electricity. And right now, thank you so much that you take the time to see my my video, and hope to see you next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Mua